Hey, this is L203 Ghetto Reaction. Like, comment, and subscribe. You can also hit me on Twitch at L203 Ghetto Reactions. There's another reaction to another video, so let's get right into it.
685 on Colonel North Carolina. Temple. This way, we'll stop at Coach Street, Chapel Highway. Well, step out for me, man. Step out for me. Step out for me. Come on back here to my car. What are you doing? I'm not going to pull up. Step right here. You're on the main highway, man. Turn around and face me. All right, you turned off on me earlier on Chapel Highway, okay? I know that was you. Okay, you passed me going 78 miles an hour. I don't think that was you, okay? You're kind of pissing me off right now because you know what you're doing. You're a grown man. You're on the main highway coming in Saluda County from Newberry. I'm not from Newberry. I'm coming from Clinton. You're almost about to go to jail, okay? Oh, I called a lady on the phone. It doesn't matter. I don't care. We've been riding for 10 minutes now. Sir, my mama told me not to pull over. No, you turned off on me. You're going almost 80 miles an hour down the road in a silver Dodge Charger. That was you. Okay. You saw me turn around on you, then you dipped off on me. No, I turned like I was supposed to. Turn where? On the road. So you were going 78 miles an hour? No. Yeah, you were. Go ahead and turn around for me.
You wasn't going that fast.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You gotta go do your everything. That was it. So if you don't know where you are, or you're on a back road and you turn off on me on the road, that doesn't make any sense to me. So I don't believe anything you're telling me right now. So you're going to jail. Okay? Going to jail? Yep. You're going to jail for speeding. And for failure to stop the blue lights at this point. No, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. End up against the vehicle. No, I mean, you're going to be no safer than you ever will be right with the police officer. You have one right behind you. Okay. Have a seat. Can I call my mom? No, you can't call anybody until you get to the jail. Have a seat. All the way in. Put your knee in. I can't. Yeah, you can. Lift it up.
You know you make a mistake. You driving a Charger. You should have been out of here. There ain't no way you should have been caught.
Yeah, he dipped off on me earlier. Huh? I thought he was going to run in front of my car. I thought he was. Yeah, he dipped off on me on Chapel's Highway. I mean, that wasn't no other silver Dodge Charger. Yeah. He was going 80. I have no idea. God. Oh. Yeah, he probably went. I was going to say, y'all want to, and then once you get out of the road, just open the road back up. I'm not supposed to drive his car. Yeah, we're fine. We'll be all right. Yeah.
That's one clear up video.
Good.
Yeah, you can't drive his car.
1928 Drayton Street.
We have the technology.
He thinks it matters if he calls. I think there's something out somewhere.
What are they gonna find? They're gonna find something in there?
Yeah, I think so. You gotta fill it out. Yeah, that'll work.
Oh, you got it.
They're looking through it.
That's all that's in there.
Oh, what is it? Drugs in there? They want to find something. They want to find something. But they gotta find anything? Well, I'm looking at.
Maybe threw something out. Yeah, to it. Yeah. Well, he did dip off on me. I shot back up Chapels, but yeah, I think
He just automatically tossed something, huh?
yeah.
What are you about to do? Tell me about the test the what's on the hood. What are you doing? He's straightening up the car.
What the fuck is that? Not even dry. They gotta test it and see.
You got wow. He ain't
Take
going
all
on
this
the
shit
hood.
here. Yeah.
What if he did that? Try to throw it in the tank. Avoid using cleaning.
Is there a pink?
Banging on the car and shit.
Turn pink, man.
Oh wow.
It's the cocaine, man.
Wow. He threw the wow, man. Get out of
That shit
here.
is fucking crazy.
Now, he must have had a lot in
I don't
there,
know.
too.
I'm about to call Dave and see.
Wow, he scraped it off the hood of the car.
What's the white stuff on the front of your hood, man?
Bird shit.
Bird shit?
Yeah.
That ain't bird shit.
I promise you that's bird doo-doo.
I promise you it's not, though.
I swear to God, that's bird doo-doo.
Well, I swear to God it's
I
not
ain't gonna
because
swear to God, it's bird
I just
dude.
tested it and that turned pink.
You can see it on the windshield.
That's not bird poop.
I swear to God, that's bird doo-doo.
That's not bird poop.
I swear to
That's a lot of
God.
bird. That's a lot of bird shit, man.
I tried to clean it last night at the gas station. You can,
I can still wipe it off.
it's bird doo-doo.
Okay.
Like,
Oh,
Nah,
okay.
man,
Yeah,
nah, man. We ain't going for that one there, bro.
I don't.
He already tested it. You saying it's bird doodle. You screaming it's bird doodle, man.
Unless
They
the bird
already
inhaled
tested it.
cocaine, then. Hey. Okay. This Dodge Charger, it dipped off on me on Chapels Highway when I was coming down. It was going like 80, so I turned back around, shot, I guess, by it. He must have
That's
pulled off on me
crazy.
somewhere, but then I came back and I saw the same vehicle go by me
Put it
again.
on.
So I got back
Put
around
it
it.
on the hood.
But he has got white stuff all over the front of his vehicle. And I just kind of I had a hunch, so I got me one of the field test kits.
Give me 1 minute, man.
And I wiped it, and it's come, and my little cocaine field test kit. It's turning
Came
pink.
right back to cocaine. Ain't that something?
Yeah, it's weird. He's saying it's bird poop, but I don't believe anything he's telling me.
The booger sugar. That's what it was.
Yeah, I mean, he's saying
He
it's
got
bird poop.
caught
I mean,
with
it's
that.
a fucking. If it was a bird, this thing was a damn. Yeah, like
1 second.
Brantley just says. I don't know. I think he must have threw it out at the front.
He must have threw it out. He got caught with it, snatched up with it. They scraped it off the hood of the car. Came out pink to cocaine. Sorry, bro, you going down. I'm out.
22. Yeah.
I'm out. Like, comment,
Yeah, I
and
don't-
subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe to the page. Also, hit me on my Twitch. And you can also hit me on my Instagram, L203 Ghetto Reactions. And I'm out of here.